फ्रेंड्स, डू यू वॉच मूवीज़? आप मूवीज़ तो ज़रूर देखते होंगे, लेकिन सिर्फ अपने एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए और टाइम पास के लिए। क्या आपने कभी मूवी से अपनी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश की? गाइज़, मैं जानती हूँ रीडिंग करना, चाहे बुक्स पढ़ना हो, चाहे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना हो, ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी बोरिंग होती है। लेकिन मूवीज़ देखना हर किसी को पसंद होता है। चाहे बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ हो, हॉलीवुड मूवीज़ हो या टॉलीवुड मूवीज़, हर कोई मूवीज़ देखना पसंद करता है। तो गाइज़, क्या आप लोग जानते हैं आप मूवीज़ के सहारे अपनी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। आप किसी भी मूवी को आराम से इंग्लिश में शेयर कर सकते हैं। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं और आपने हमारे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन because it really motivates us to make such informative videos for you. So once again, welcome back to the 𝗕𝗏 Academy. I hope guys you all are doing well. So without any further delay, let's dive in today's topic. So guys, आपने एक मूवी ज़रूर देखी होगी। मूवी का नाम है तारे ज़मीं पर। It is such an inspirational movie. अगर आपने ये नहीं देखी है तो आप इस मूवी को ज़रूर से देखें। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ इस मूवी के सहारे आप अपनी इंग्लिश कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, आप मूवी को इंग्लिश में कैसे शेयर कर सकते हैं। सो गाइज, तारे ज़मीं पर मूवी इज़ अ वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल मूवी. इट कन्वेज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज. इट इज़ एन आई ओपनर मूवी. सो दिस मूवी इज़ बेस्ड ऑन अ 9-year-old बॉय. हिज नेम इज़ ईशांत अवस्थी. He is in 3rd standard and in his family there are 4 members, his parents and his elder brother. Actually, he is very weak in academics, but he is fond of painting or drawing. वो academics में थोड़ा weak है, but उसे painting करने का, drawing करने का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है. So whenever he is in classroom, whether it's science class, English, maths or Hindi, he never pay attention, he never pay full focus in class. Every time he just look outside the window. वो हर समय विंडो से बाहर देखता रहता है and every time he just watch the activities that are going outside. And due to this, many times teachers just scold him and give him punishment. He never pay focus in his studies, he never completes his homework or he never get good marks. And every time teachers just punish him. हर समय वो उसे क्लास से बाहर निकाल देते हैं. But they think that he is doing all these activities deliberately. वो जानबूझ के होमवर्क नहीं करता है, वो जानबूझ के पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं देता है. But they never try to understand the root cause behind his behavior. Even his father also, and his father is also very strict in this movie and he also scolds him and beats him every time. He also thinks that he is doing all these activities deliberately. So but his mother is very caring in this movie. So one day what happens in parents teacher meeting, the principal and all the teachers, they just complained about Ishan that he is not making any further progress and he is not progressing anymore in academics and he will remain in 3rd standard again. Actually 3rd standard में उसका ये दूसरा साल होता है. So the teacher says that he is gonna remain in this class again because he is not making any further progress. So they says that या तो हम इसे फिर से इस साल फिर से 3rd क्लास में रखेंगे या फिर आप इसका स्कूल स्विच कीजिए. So his father decides to switch his school and he decides to send him to a boarding school. But Ishan doesn't want to go to boarding school and his mother also doesn't want this. But his father sends him to a boarding school. So when Ishan goes to boarding school, the situation remains same. There also he gets the same teachers. Again, there is no improvement in his academics. The teachers scold him. He is not able to focus in his studies in boarding school also. The teachers in that school, they are also not able to understand the root cause behind his behavior, that why he is not able to understand whatever they are teaching him. So every time they give him punishment, all the students, they just make fun of him every time. So all the students, they just give him punishment, they scold him, they beat him, and all the students, they just make fun of him every time. And this thing, and due to this thing, he slowly starts to become very lonely. He undergoes depression. उसे धीरे धीरे depression होने लग जाता है because firstly वो अपनी family से दूर है and second thing is Nobody is understanding his situation. Not even a single soul, not even a single teacher or his single friend is able to understand his situation. And due to this depression, he just quit to paint. He just quit to make drawings. उसे वो ड्राइंग करना भी छोड़ देता है, पेंटिंग करना, वो ये सारी एक्टिविटीज़ भी छोड़ देता है. एंड ही स्टार्ट टू रिमेन अलोन. सो वन डे उनके आर्ट के टीचर होता है मिस्टर होल्का, उनका ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है कहीं और उनकी जगह एक नई गेस्ट टीचर आता है आर्ट्स के. द नेम ऑफ दैट टीचर इज़ राम शंकर, एंड ये रोल आमिर खान ने प्ले किया है इस मूवी में. So the teacher is very good. His behavior is very cool and good with students. So he teaches students with lots of fun. And when Amir Khan, when the teacher enters into that school, that time he just teach all the students with fun. But he noticed Ishan there, that he remains lonely. He never participate in drawings and he always remain alone. So one day he asked his best friends that what is the problem with Ishan. Then he tells everything, that he tries very hard to understand things, to focus on studies, but he is still not able, and that's why every teacher just scold and punish him every time. So what Amir Khan does in that movie is he just check his every notebook of every subject, and then he come to know that he is suffering from dyslexia. एक्चुअली डायलेक्सिया इज़ अ डिसऑर्डर. डायलेक्सिया एक डिसऑर्डर होता है जिसमें बच्चों को रीडिंग में, राइटिंग में और समझने में काफ़ी दिक्कत होती है. उन्हें कुछ जो सिमिलर वर्ड्स होते हैं वो उन्हें वो उल्टे दिखाई देते हैं, या फिर उनमें थोड़ा उन्हें कन्फ्यूज़न होता है. एंड समटाइम्स द स्टूडेंट राइट द लेटर ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल स्पेलिंग्स इनकरेक्ट. लाइक सर को काफ़ी जगह उसने उल्टा लिखा होता है नोटबुक में अपनी. सो आमिर खान ये सारी चीज़ें नोटिस करते हैं, एंड देन he approached to the school principal and his parents that he is not mentally a disabled child. Everyone thinks that he is mentally disabled. The Ishan is mentally disabled, but Amir Khan says that no, he is not like that. He is a normal child. There is just one problem with him. He is suffering from dyslexia. So after that, he tried to give him personal training. He spent lots of alone time or lots of personal time with Ishan, and he make him understand each and every letter and how to pronounce them. He make him familiar with all the alphabets of Hindi and English, how to read them, how to write them. And then slowly Ishan starts to understand all the letters. He starts to speak, to write. And when one day his father comes to his school, his boarding school, to meet him, that time he sees that his son is able to read and write, and all the teachers of that school, they become just astonished. वो बहुत ज़्यादा आश्चर्यचकित हो जाता है that Ishan is actually improving. He is not an abnormal child. So Amir Khan helps him to get out of that disorder, and again Ishan start to study with joy, and again he start to learn everything with happiness. एंड गाइज इस मूवी का मेन पर्पज़ है अवेयरनेस फैलाना डायलेक्सिया के बारे में. मैनी पीपल, मैनी टीचर्स एंड पेरेंट्स, दे आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट डायलेक्सिया, दैट दे प्रेशराइज देयर किड. They don't understand their situation, that why they are not able to understand things. Actually the problem is they are suffering from dyslexia. ओके सो इस चीज़ के बारे में पेरेंट्स को, टीचर को पता होना चाहिए. डू नॉट ट्राई टू प्रेशराइज स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर सिचुएशन. हर किसी की अपनी अपनी कैपेसिटी होती है सीखने की, समझने की. सो व्हेन यू डोंट प्रेशराइज देम, व्हेन यू मेक गुड मॉर्निंग विद योर किड और विद योर स्टूडेंट, then kids learn the things in a more enjoyable way. So guys, that's it for today. This is how you can share any movie in English. Whatever movie you watch, whatever is your favorite movie, you can just share it in English like this, and you can improve your English. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, then make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your family members and with your friends. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.